Hello guys, if I'm sorry I'm not showing my face today. I just don't feel like doing it today. So yeah, this is gonna be a tutorial how to make slime. If you didn't know, sorry about the blue stuff. It's not blue talkies. Okay. So you're gonna be needing Elmer's Glow in the dark blue. It says new, great for slime. It's glow in the dark. I know that's the price tag right there, but don't judge me. So we're just gonna open that. And you need a bowl or a plate to mix in, and like we just do like something to stir with. I'm using a knife. I don't know. I just don't want to wash it. Okay, so we're gonna pour the Elmer's glue into the bowl. It has that white stuff right there, but the glue is not white, so I don't know. And don't take your time by just twisting this off and then just pouring it in. Just take the lid off and then just do this. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'd rather do that. So I'm just gonna pour that in there. Okay. I just got this from Walmart. I think you can get this at any store, but probably not like maybe not at Sam's Clubs, because they usually just sell food there, so. Or Costco. Okay, I'll be back when I get the whole thing out. So guys, the glue is already in there. I didn't add anything to it. So now I'm just gonna mix it a little bit, maybe for like some air bubbles. Okay, it's sparkly too, so yeah, and it's glow in the dark. I'll show you the results later. I don't know if it's gonna affect it or anything, but I'm gonna add shaving cream, so I'll be back. I don't know if shaving gel is gonna affect the glow in the dark substance thingy, but I guess I'm just gonna add it because I don't want it to be like not like very hard. I want it to be fluffy a little bit. This feels weird. There's a shaving gel. It's blue. Just gonna mix that now. Now it's fluffy. But I hope it's gonna be glow in the dark still. I'm not gonna dye it because I want it to be purple. There was blue, yellow, purple, but I chose purple. Okay, now it's fluffy. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of baby oil. So here's the baby oil. So I don't know if it's gonna affect it or anything, but I just wanna add the baby oil. So let's open it. We're just gonna add a bit, okay? Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now we mix. Is it like already slime? Ew, no, that's weird. I need paper towels. Okay, so this is not slime yet. It's not even activated. Yeah, I just need a paper towel. Okay, let's mix that. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my activator. Be back. Guys, so I got my activator, but I just wanted to mix this a little bit more. Okay, I think it's fine now. So, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Kind of got a little bit of slime. Dang it, I showed my face. Okay, whatever. Slime stuck on there. Like, right. Like, Look at that. Purple. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I poured my activator in there. It's Tide. It's blue. And yeah, we're just gonna add a bit at a time. Or you could use borax. You can add warm water with borax. You can't use any activator, any laundry detergent, because some don't work. Like Angel Soft, I don't think that one works. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Oh, it's sticking to me. Ugh. Adding a little bit at a time. And I'll show the final results later. Okay guys, we're gonna make the next slime in this container. There's an empty container right there. I'm gonna wash that out later. So the next slime I'm going to make is probably like, I don't know. Okay. So we have this big Elmer's glue all. So we're gonna open that and then just pour it in the container. So let's just do that. Okay. I think that's enough. Now we're just gonna maybe, I don't want it fluffy, so let's just mix the glue. Don't worry, I cleaned the knife off. I'll show you the results later for the other slime. This one's gonna be like it's not gonna be fluffy, because the one I made earlier is fluffy. So this one's going to be like a thick and glossy slime. So how to make your thick and glossy slime is add glue, white glue. Then you want to add your body lotion. So here you can use any body lotion. I'm using this coconut body lotion. So body lotion, you need that. So you're gonna go ahead and add that to your glue. Sorry, it's not coming out. Unless I don't have no more. No, I need it. I still have a lot. Oh, whoa. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, so I think I just squirted out. So that just squirted out, but that's fine. We got it all figured out now. Sorry if my hand was in the way. Okay, so now you just want to mix the lotion into the glue. Now the glue is going to smell like coconut. Coconut something. Okay, now it looks glossy. Now. Okay, next you want to add your, what's it called? baby oil. So I'm gonna add baby oil. Not too much though. Okay, I think that's enough. This is not ASMR, by the way. Okay. So now you just want to mix that good. This is thick and glossy slime. And it's going to be very pokey. Okay. Next, I think that's it. Oh yeah, shampoo. For me, you can add any shampoo, but I'm just going to add Head and Shoulders. Okay. So now you just want to mix that. I can feel that it's very thick. And it smells like Head and Shoulders too. So that's good. Best thing, we're gonna activate it. I still have a little bit of this glue, so I might give it to my brother. I did a YouTube video with him, so go check that out. Okay, let's mix that. So I'm gonna show you the results later. Bye. Hi guys, so this is the final result for the fluffy one. Yeah, it's very starchy. And yeah, because I added lotion. So yeah, that's this one. And you wanted to see it glow in the dark? Okay. So here it is glowing in the dark. It's not really glowing, but okay. So yeah, it doesn't really work. I think it did something to it, the shaving cream and baby oil and lotion. So yeah, the final one. This was the fluffy one, and now, and now it's time for the pokey one. My thick and glossy slime recipe. This is my thick and glossy slime recipe. It's very clicky and it can make good bubbles. Yeah. Oh yeah, and it's very stretchy. Uh-oh, I added lotion. Okay, whatever. So, hope y'all enjoy. Bye. Those are my 2 slime recipes.